Namasabot man natos binuhatan ini mas Yeso sige nung iso
The
sa
sound of the cage.
mailan ninyo sila pinaagi sa ilang mga bungas buhat nila. Nagsabwa gani kag kagulihang pagpatay og kagubot. Ambot na lang. Ida pa ba na?
His face blinking.
Ang basa nila na Noy Visayas Isayas. Ang bata nga na tao,
She passes out in the shop.
Diyos nga labing gamahanan way katapusan, amahan nga way katapusan. Diyos nga makagagahom ug prinsipe sa pakigdait.
This woman is driven
Kung
off
ikaw
before
usa ka Kristohanon, na adto kay pakigdait sa imong si katao. You have to respect in every
but where
creation.
and
Mo respetar ka jud ka.
there are more than 2 million
Sa
people
ano
living
na
here.
imong di
Almost half are children.
mamatay na ng uban niya kung sa pa ba.
Families are rushing, trying to make plans.
Malinaw ng Israel pero ilamang hindi sa ilogon lagi. Uy katagbawan ng tao sa kalibutan.
Gaza is
Iya,
under
basihanan ra duhara. Pagtuo, pag-alagad o pagtuman sa iyang mga sugo.
no
Binuhatan,
water, no food, no
maayong
electricity,
binuhatan.
and no escape.
Maila ang katawhan sa langit.
It's too hard.
Pero nagsabwag kang kagubot. Kapoy na sa istorya.
But you can't stand
Alam mo
still
kung
for long.
dugang pa pagkay daot na ang mga niminaw.
Please, my family, they're just kids.
Yan ang number one terrorist. Maadlo pa rin ang istorya. Terror god. Sabwag sa kaguliyang kagubot.
But how it feels this time. It's hard to find
Wala
words.
wa mo angay ang mga
It feels like the world
tao
is
nga
collapsing.
naipamuot ana. Nga nagsimbang nag-alagad sa
Many are confirmed dead.
labaw
Even more
makagahom.
are missing.
Gawas tong
This
wa
woman
kay
cannot find her son.
Budapik mga doon nila. Wala lang bitaw kung kanditos. Gindol man. Sa kinini sopak ni. Iko, sa magkapon ito ka na. Muslim man di ay. Ingon na to, Katoliko, Kristiyanon, pero ni at sa Muslim ni dawat sa Muslim na sila. Israel o hinon na. Naglaguno na.
I'm walking right now.
This is one of the terrorists.
Hamas di po to? Hamas po?
Hamas sila. Oo, ay po eh. Na may mga Pilipino na himumuros na Muslim.
Seat close to her home
Ay
once
po
more.
eh.
Now it's not even safe to
Ay lang ko po, sa Pilipinas.
here.
Balain-lain na. Sa Mindanao lamang, ang naghanaman na silang na may mga grupo. Kanang
Now nothing is
What?
recognized.
MILF,
This is an ambulance.
She's
Moro
afraid.
National Liberation Front,
Now,
ang
what
Moro
might happen next?
Islamic, parte relihiyon, pero background to
Palestinians have already been killed in the bombardment. But the UN
Hamas style.
Terror.
said that
Oh,
Israeli
terror
strikes
po.
in residential buildings and schools. And for the
Dugay
first
na
time,
pudo sa katabato
Brian
ng tao na ito katuig
examined
na
the
siguro.
situation inside Gaza. And his
Bilbo
report
Palimbang,
contains
South Cotabato.
distressing images from the very
The-
outset.
North Cotabato.
If you live in Gaza, the only thing
Bawal ako.
worse than experiencing last
Di
night
ano sa akong pahak.
the prospect of what's to come.
Ngayon ay siya. Mag-Muslim ta. Oo nga naman. Ada kong kuhan. Nindot ka to. Nga naman sa mga kanindot.
Khan Yunis,
Pinangga kanila.
names
Sa
of neighborhoods that were
mga asawa ka pwedeng duha tulog.
to some.
Man sa ato pinutngan man.
This is the geography of
Tama na
retaliation.
yan na.
An earthquake of airstrikes across the
Mahimo ko
Gaza
din na.
Strip, likely to
Kristohan,
continue
hindi.
for
Pinuang.
days. The Israelis say they are warning people to evacuate
Pinuang.
buildings in advance of strikes.
Sa una,
Do not afford
sa gamay pagtao, ni alaw ang labaw makagahom. Nagoraya sa kanila. Yan na.
Abu Bahaba
Karon ngayon sa mga kalaod na bisag igagaw na di nakapwede.
received
Alimiti ko 18, kapitulo 18, 19,
running
Basaha.
towards the building.
baliw-lipakan ka na.
Still on the line.
Tinuod lagi.
According
Pero
to
bikas ka
Amnesty
kada giba hantod sa kang Moises, Noe.
they had 5
Wala.
to 10.
Dito Moises, ipagkuha ang tanan itang mga kuan nga awanan. Kay sirado ng kalibutas tao. Nahungot ba di ay? Kalibutan nga di ka makaagig lain. Oo. Pero sila,
The two
Magilma
children
asawa.
were killed in the blast
iko,
last night.
oo, dato ka, makabuhi ka.
In a statement, the Israeli
Labi karon,
forces said
nailiman
they
mo
targeted
kabiton.
despotic
Mga ado man na.
Mao because it
Sa kuya pili
serves as a
sa may hatag nimo. O di bungot.
many of the attacks against Israel were launched.
Support.
Together with the West Bank,
Kay
Gaza makes up
gipangkan
the
ko nimo,
Palestinian
be.
territories. Takes about an hour to drive
Dalar.
from top to bottom. It's
20 lang,
only
20 dolar.
25 miles long.
Agoy, ahal ko na
And
mga
it's
ton.
home to 2.3 million
Risco.
evacuated high-rise buildings, for example.
Oh, nani arais ang daghang mga tulisan at Mindanao. Tinuod lagi.
Even with warnings, hundreds of civilians died.
Barog sila.
Nearly
Ah,
all
buhay
the
na.
largest neighborhoods have been hit. Rafah and Khan Yunis in the south, Hanan and Shati and
Di na mahimo
Jabalia
sa
and
inyo na to,
Chicans.
mga
But
Kristiyan.
it's the Ramal district
Na
in
amang
Gaza
gani hapon
City
mo postrate
itself,
lagi.
which is in the process
Bisag wa
of
dire.
being wiped
Waas
out.
bolsa.
These
Magpakanaa.
women epitomize
Bago
the
lang.
deadly bind that many Gazans are now in.
50 ra imo.
Latifa's family
Ano
fled a
man?
different neighborhood.
Lumada ng bata ba? Kay mo taga
As advised.
sao man yung piso ra man yung kwarta.
And his
Ano
colleagues
mo, apply anang divorce. Babagan doon ang mga pare. Pinuang na ito.
People have sought refuge. The hospital itself, even though this is day 3,
Tinuod
is
man dyan.
already at
Bahinan man.
capacity. All of the beds have been used up. There's over 1,600 wounded in just the last 3 days in Gaza.
Kay naanay balaod, na impyerno na ang tao. Huwag mo pang sapakon. Maglabas sa balaod sa laman. Kuno 134. Sawa pa ang balaod. Aw,
So what are the supplies
Well, may
that you
sala.
really need and that you don't have at the moment in order to do your work?
So, we were
Wala
attending
pa may
to a teenage
ordinansa sa baryo. Yan na.
12, 13, with 70% of
Magbuntag.
her body burned.
Alara na.
In the
Buntag na.
intensive
Bagos
care,
yung
make sure that the
Radis.
patient
Uli,
is
dakpan mga
with
uban kayo.
antiseptic solution to ensure that they
Sakit.
do not get infected because that's the cause of
Lalaan
death in
mo
these
man.
burns. And there was no chlorhexidine, there was no
Basta na, anay
antiseptic
balaod,
solution.
di
We
na
are
ganun.
not just using
Kasumpa
regular
mo di ka
soap
diha.
to clean the burns so that we can properly dress the patient. This is
Nauber po na yung Amerika lagi.
This
Salig ng mga
started
dato
so early
siya.
on. The worry is that the system
Sila na
is
lang
not
magilapas ang
enough.
balaod sa langit.
Well, indeed, as
Pero
Prime
noon,
Minister
dili
Netanyahu
tanang
said
mga
last
Amerikano,
night, this
pero
is just the beginning.
dito simbahan, aran labo. Ay, una-una. Yung istorya pang
The sense of
Pastor J.C. Bernedo, Tagidulman, anak ni ng Tokyang. Sa basta brad kay dito mo ko kay ang mga senior citizens na anay dagkong building niya na gilain na dito. Tuwaan na lang ang bontago to hapon. Buhi na lang sa gobyerno. Si zaman mo tikhatag sa mga pagkaon.
Operating table
Sa mga senior.
because of the lack of supply.
Maha pa nito, panihapon.
Patient treatment is being delayed
Dag,
and critical
plato.
time is being lost on treating these severely injured
Pag
patients.
simba kay pastor, malagi
And
sila.
the worry is as this gets
Ito
worse,
size day po, walihon.
previously treatable injuries
Agoy.
either untreated,
Pagkagila-ila ni dati diyang tapat.
residual disability
Singa, na.
becomes permanent because you haven't been able to take these.
Isa mo nang batiha,
Forces the operating room to be able
may
to
wife,
properly.
wife.
And the most of the patients you're receiving in the
Tanaw.
hospital are the civilians.
Alam eh, kita kay
The overwhelming majority, I mean, I have not
Wapa,
seen
God.
any young men of
pagkasunod Domingo, wilain naman po di diyang tapat.
heart-wrenching things is that you get whole families. You get whole families.
Nader mo,
So,
pagkasunod na po Domingo, labi na po.
are in different rooms in the hospital. The kids in
Mantambok
the
po
young
ba?
areas and the
Iwan
parents
si Lucy.
whole families are being brought in.
Arang nila arang eh, Ideahan.
devastated
Basta,
houses. These kids are being wounded in their home.
Dr. Russell Alexander,
basta mula na po na sila, bisag tiguang na nila. Muangay sila nimo.
Just before we came on air, I spoke to
Ikalong
Osama
araw,
Hamdan.
di
He's a
matagbaw sila.
spokesman based in Beirut for Hamas, which of course is designated a terrorist organization by the UK government. I asked him how he could justify the killing of
Kailangan
so
mo lagi.
many.
Gawasan mo lagi.
I want to tell you something, some good story. There is an
Hamas
individual
is
called the Palestinian lads
Satanas,
from
ano?
1948. For 7 decades and more than this, Palestine was occupied. And we just realized yesterday that there is someone who is killing the Palestinians. The Palestinians, they were being killed for the last 7 decades by the Israelis. Excuse me,
How does that
sir,
history
I have
justify the
to
killing
answer.
of innocent children? How does it justify taking old women and hostage?
This is your problem, guys. You don't like to listen. You don't want to listen to the Palestinians. You just want to talk about